Well, hi there, everybody. It's John Thomas of the John T. Food 66 YouTube channel. Just doing a vlog, song vlog. Today we're going to attempt to do Four Strong Winds. It's a beautiful song by a Canadian artist who I think are Ian and Sylvie. I always realize I should find this out ahead of time before I start filming, but then, I just, I'm kind of like a freestyler. Winds that blow, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. For the good times are gone, and I'm now moving on. So I look for you if I'm ever back this way. Think I'll go out to Alberta, where the good there is fall. Yes, I've got some friends that I can go working for. Still, I wish you would change your mind. If I ask you one more time, we've been through this a hundred times before. Oh, snowflakes and things are looking good. You could meet me if I sit down that bed. But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do. And those winds will go way out there. Oh, strong winds that blow, heaven see them on high. Things that don't change. Oh, come what may. Baby, the good times are gone. Yes, I'm bound to moving on. I'll look So, anyways, I got some stuff today. I got a bandana. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Actually, I think I'm going to go back to the hat. I think it's just starting to get a little extra stuff. And it's got a ring. I got this skull. I thought it looked kind of artistic. Apparently, it means it has some kind of meaning. I don't care what the meaning is. I just think it looks kind of wild. I'm kind of like, I used to be homeless, so the skull is representative of the bad times. Because basically, I think if you find a human in skull form, well, they're dead, right? So, and right now it's still alive. So the skull is technically great camera skills, right, guys? 81 subscribers. Yes, I'm an amateur. So the close-up of the ring is, I think it's basically saying hello. How's it going? I think it's saying that, or it's saying, I don't know what it's saying. It's just a ring. Okay. For my next number, this is a song vlog, right? Oh yeah. Let's do a great one by some guy, an artist. It's called Drift Away. Maybe in the description I will tell you who this is by. Day after day, yes, I'm more confused. So I look for the light in the pouring rain. There's a day, yes, I hate to lose. I'm boys and free my soul. I wanna get lost in the rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. Wanna get lost in the rock and roll way. I don't understand the things that I do. The world outside looks so unkind. I'm counting on you, baby, to carry me through. Oh, give me the beat, boys, and fit my soul. Wanna get lost in that rock and roll way. Just drift away, baby, baby. Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. Wanna get lost, rock and roll. Drift away, hey, hey. And when my mind is free, baby, no melody that can move me. And when I'm feeling blue, yeah. Guitars coming through to soothe me. Thanks for the only joy that you ever given me. I wanna know, I believe in your song. Rhyme and harmony. Hold me long, baby. You made me strong. Give me those beat, boys, for my soul. Wanna get lost in that rock and roll way. I wanna get lost, free my soul. Beat, boys, involved in that motherfucking rock and roll away. That's Drift Away by... Okay, just for the sake of it, I do have a second phone. It's good, right? It's good to have a second phone. Let's Google it. It's by a guy who I will instantly recognize when Drift Away, we're coming close. It's by Uncle... There's no fucking way it's by that guy. Oh, come on. What's it by? It's by Clarence Carter. Okay, I've never heard of Clarence Carter. Drift Away by Clarence Carter. It was first done in some period. Released in 1970 by Clarence Carter, who I've never heard of before. But apparently that's his song, so... hey, that's a vlog. We could vlog more. Actually, let's vlog more. It is a vlog, so we're in Kensington Park, and this is the park. We're by the Al Waxman statue, which is over there, and that's the street. Look, hey, it's Bellevue Square Park. It's by the statue. It's people's, doing the park stuff. I'm doing the guitar and vlog stuff, and doing. I realize I need some help with my camera work, so hey, I'm doing the best I can. So anyways, I'll just promote my channel. So I'll say to you, the viewers, whoever views this, John T. Food 66, JOHNTFOOD 66, the number 66. Type that into YouTube. Please subscribe, hit the bell. I add usually 2 to 4 videos a week. I do vlogs, song vlogs, I guess song vlog, however you want to say it. Then I upload Outstanding Artists. I'm uploading right now Avery Florence on a separate phone. It's amazing. So check my channel out. Going for 1,000. Got 81. Let's rock and roll. Peace out. John Thomas saying God bless you all, and just coping with COVID, all that stuff. Peace out.